Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is about Comedk 2025 option entry, and I'm going to give all the options entries under 2 lakhs and which one are good options. So you can and these are under computer science or in ECE related branches, right? So in this sheet, if you start from 1 lakh rupees onwards, right, there are options of 1 lakh and 1 lakh 20,000 fees, but these are all average options and I will suggest not to go for this. So these are not good options, better avoid them. Now moving further, there is a PES College of Engineering Mandya. So this college is under top 200 engineering colleges in India as per the NRF ranking and decent placements. So there you are getting robotic and artificial intelligence branch at 1,20,000. So if your budget is constrained, you can go for this branch in this college and it's a decent option. After that, Geetham deemed to be university, the last one is in India's top-notch institute in terms of deemed university, and there also robotics and artificial intelligence branch is available at 1,41,875, which is quite good option in terms of this fee structure. So this is good branch, and you can go if your budget is constrained. So those two, 8 number and 16 numbers, are the things you can take if you are not getting into budget. Now as you go, the fees is increasing on the right side, right? Now for the students who are in Bangalore, right, there is Sir M Vishwesvaraya Institute of Technology, Sir MVIT, where electronics and telecommunication branch is available at 1,50,000, and this is one of the top-notch institute. Again, here you are getting around 1.5 lakhs. So fees is constrained, you can go for this option entry in this sheet. Now as you go further, you get some more colleges. For example, East West Institute of Technology, it has become an autonomous engineering colleges now, and there you're getting electronics and computer engineering branch at 1.52 lakhs. So that is also one of the option which you can consider if your budget is the constraint. EWIT, electronics and computer engineering branch, 1.52 lakhs. Moving further, you see JSS Academy of Technical Education, JSS ATE, that is also a good option for studying engineering, and their electronics and instrumentation branch is around 1,75,000. You can consider. Then there is another college, Jawaharlal Nehru New College of Engineering in Shimoga. There also electronics and telecommunication available around 1.75 lakhs. So these are the two options you can consider. Now further moving in this particular sheet, again the same college I mentioned, East West Institute of Technology, Information Science Engineering, available around 1.87 lakh rupees per year. Now talking about the different other options available here in this particular sheet, again PES College of Engineering Mandya, there is Computer Science and Business System available at 1.95. You can consider that. And similarly, AMC College of Engineering in Bangalore, Computer Science Engineering with Data Science branch, available around 1.95 lakhs, and that also you can consider if you want to go ahead. Now let's see some more options, right? PES College of Engineering Mandya, right, you are getting Computer Science Engineering with Data Science, 1.95, and this is a good option. You can go for PES College, and it's one of the top 200 engineering colleges as I mentioned earlier. Some more PES engineering college options like Information Science also available at 1.95 lakhs, so that can be considered. Now moving further, there is another college you can see in the list, GSSS Institute of Engineering and Technology for Women. This is women only engineering college, but it has got excellent placements. So all the girl students, they can go for artificial intelligence and data science branch at 1,99,390, and it's a good option. In the same college, you can take information science also available. So 80 and 81 is what you can consider if you are looking to do engineering. Similarly, if you are from the Bangalore region, you can go for Srinivas Institute of Technology and Shri Devi if you are willing to pay that. Again, near to Bangalore, Sri Siddhartha School of Engineering, which is part of Sri Siddhartha Institute, you can get CSC AIML branch at 2 lakhs. In Bangalore, you can go for Sai Vidya Institute of Technology, which is in Rajan Kunte, Bangalore, and this is also decent option. You will get Computer Science and Engineering Data Science branch at 2 lakh rupees fees. Now moving further, some more options are there in this sheet again from Sai Vidya Institute of Technology. You are getting Information Science Engineering branch also 2 lakhs, and there is East West College of Engineering EWCE in Bangalore. You are getting Computer Science Engineering branch around 2 lakhs. So this can also be considered. Now moving further, around 2 lakhs fees you are getting Java JNNC, which is Java Nehru New College of Engineering, Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. Good option and can be taken. So that's all the different options which are under available 2 lakh rupees fee structure. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.